Hey guys, what's up? It's Cashapp here. Today I want to go over the Cashapp Debit card. I've already went over a lot of crypto debit cards, and because Cashapp has started to release rewards paid in Bitcoin on their debit card, I thought this would be a good time to go over it, review it, and tell you guys what it's all about, and for you guys to let me know what you think about it. So, for example, one thing that they recently did was for any restaurant earn 10% worth of Bitcoin. At one point, it was like earn 5% or 3% anywhere on Bitcoin. One of the downsides ever since they started doing Bitcoin rewards is a lot of their other rewards have gone away, which has been pretty disappointing. Also, at the bottom, we can see some rewards. DoorDash, 10% off each reward. Shake Shack, 15%. Goat, 5%. Anywhere, $5 off one order. These are locked though, so what you do for these is you have to unlock it by using the card a certain amount of times. You don't have to use any of the rewards, but just use the actual card for different transactions. I think like 20 times, and you have like 23 days so it's basically to incentivize you to use it as your main debit card. And then you can also get like 5% off Chewy, and so there's like all these different type of rewards you can get. 5% off Domino's, 5% off Chick-fil-A off of one order. Earn 10% worth of Bitcoin on one purchase at any restaurant. Expires in 2 days. A minimum purchase of $1.50. Maximum Bitcoin earned of $7.50 equivalent. That's basically it. They got rid of better rewards. For example, I'm looking on my phone right now, and I spent $89.22 on groceries, and I was able to apply 10% on groceries. So, but then they have that maximum amount you can earn. So I earned $7.50. So my $89.22 ended up being $81.72. So I really liked that because I would use that quite a bit. Whenever I got paid and to go get groceries, I would use that reward basically like every 2 weeks. So I'd be saving like $15 a month. And now they haven't had that reward ever since they added Bitcoin rewards. And some of the Bitcoin rewards aren't even as good. The only benefit is it's paid in Bitcoin, so it's kind of like hold it long term and it'll end up being worth more. But sometimes it's nice to get the fiat right away, just because that $7.50 when it's deducted and added onto your Cash App balance, you can then use that $7.50 for next time around when you get groceries, and now you need $7.50 less than last time to get groceries now. So yeah, that's basically it. Let me know what you guys think about the Cashapp debit card. It's free, so you guys might as well go and sign up for it. Cashapp's free, the debit card's free. There's really no reason not to get it, especially because some of the rewards they offer can be better than crypto debit cards out there. So it's always nice to have choices and options. For Fold, I saw some people on Twitter like shredding their Cashapp debit card and like other debit cards, but I didn't really understand that. I prefer to have options and different choices, and because Fold won't always give the best rewards on certain purchases, while Cashapp would give a better reward. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys later in the next video.